Hello, my dear student. In this question, it is mentioned consider the following relational schemes for a library database. There are two relation: book and collection. Title, author, catalog, number, publisher, year, and price. And collection is title, author, and catalog. With the FDs are FD number one is title, author, say catalog. FD number second catalog determine title, author, publisher, year. FD number three is publisher, title, year determine price. Assume that author and title is the key for both schemes. Then which of the following statement is true, my dear? Which of the following statement is statement number one? Both book and collection are in BCNF. Statement number B, option B, both book and collection are in 3NF only. Option C, book is in 2NF, collection is in 3NF. Option D, both book and collection are in 2NF only. So we will discuss here. We have schemas. First one is book. Book having title, author, catalog, catalog number, publisher, year, price. Publisher, year, and price. Second one is collection. Collection having title, author, and catalog. Title, author, and catalog number. Clear? Now here you can see there are three FDs. FD number one is what? FD number one is what? Title, author, determine catalog number. FD number second, catalog determine catalog number determine title, author, publisher, year. Publisher, year as well. Clear? And FD number third is publisher, title, year. Publisher, title, year, determine price. What? Publisher, title, and year determine the price. This is the FD first, FD second, and FD third, my dear. FD third. Now assume author and title is the key. Author and title is the. What is the key here mentioned? Author and title. Author and title is the key for both schemes. Then which of the statement is true? Now we will solve each and everything. So here you can see FD number one is what? Title, author, determine catalog number. Title, author, determine catalog number. FD number one, my dear. FD number one is what? FD number one is what, my dear? Title, author, determine catalog number. So you can see this is belongs to collection schema. This is belongs to collection schema. In a collection schema, we have only three things: title, author, and catalog. Title, author, and catalog. My title, author, and catalog. So here you can see title, author, and catalog. It is in BC. It is in BCNF. Why? Because here title, author is a super key. Yeah, you can say X is a super key. So what we can say, collection is in, so we can conclude what? Collection is in BCN. Collection is in BCN. Collection is in BCN. Now we can see about the, we can check about the, my dear student, second, book. Second is what? Book, my dear. In a book schema, we have title, author, catalog number. Yeah, we can write in next page. Don't worry. We can write in next page. In a book schema, what we have? Title, author, catalog, publisher, year. In a book schema, we have title, author, catalog, title, author, catalog number, publisher, year, year and price. Publisher, year and price, my dear. Now, here which FDs? Here there are two FDs. You can say all three FDs we can check. Title, author, catalog number, FD number 1, title, author, catalog number. Yeah, you can, what we can do? Here we can write in a very simple form, FD number 1, title, author, catalog. This FD belongs to this schema. Yes. Second FD is what? Catalog number. Catalog number determine title, author, publisher, year. Title, author, publisher, year. It is very interesting, beta. And third one, publisher, title, year, publisher, title, year, determine price. These are the FD1, second and FD third. FD first, second and third. Now it is mentioned, my dear student, it is mentioned what is the key? Title and author is the key. It is mentioned. Title and author is the mention. Title and author is. Okay. But here you can see title and author. देखो, I will take both cases. मैं दोनों केस लेने वाला हूं. एक तो अपन टाइटल और ऑथर को ही की मान के करें, और एक अपन अकॉर्डिंग टू द एफडीज, इज देयर इज एनी मोर कैंडिडेट की, वी विल डू बोथ अप्रोच. So here you can see in FD number second, catalog number determine title, author, publisher and year. FD number second determine catalog number equal determine title, author, publisher, year. Here you can see this is determined by catalog number. So catalog number is also key. Catalog number is key, my dear. What are the keys? What are the candidate keys for this schema, my dear student? What are the candidate keys for this schema? So you can see first candidate key is what? Title, author. Second one is catalog. Second one is catalog. Clear? Now we will check for each and every FD. FD first. Here FD1 title, author determine the catalog is in BC. Yes, satisfy BC. In a book schema. Book schema FD1 satisfying the BCNF definition. FD second also satisfying the BC. Also satisfying the BCN. But if I'm talking about FD third, what is the FD third? Here you can see publisher, title, year, determine the price. Publisher, title, year, determine the price. What is happening, my dear? It is not satisfying 3NF definition. It is satisfying the 2NF. Satisfy 2NF but not satisfying 3NF. Why? Because neither publisher publisher title year is super key, because the super key is what? Either title author or catalog. Nor price is key or prime attribute. Key or prime attribute. Because in this FD third violate the 3NF definition. FD third violate the 3NF definition. So what we can conclude here? What we can conclude here about the book? So we can conclude what? Book is in 2NF only. Book is in 2NF only because it fail, yeah, not satisfying 3NF. Yeah, you can say fails in 3N. Why? Because neither publisher title year is a super key, because what is the key? Either title author or catalog number. So not only title is a key, title author is a key, or nor catalog. So here neither X is a super key nor Y is a price is a prime attribute. It is not in 3NF, so it is satisfying only 2NF definition. It is because there is a no partial dependency. Because this is proper, not a proper subset. When the proper subset, either only title or author. So book is in 2NF. What we can conclude? The book is in 2NF. What we can conclude? Book is in 3NF. Oh, sorry, book is in 2NF and collection is in 3NF and BCN. So here you can say what you are getting. Book is in 2NF and collection is in BCN. Collection is in BCN. Now check the option, each and every option. Both book and collection are in BCNF. That is wrong. Both book and collection are in 3NF only. First of all, book not in 3NF. It is only in 2NF. Both book is in 2NF. Yes. Collection is in 3NF. Yes. Book and collection are in 2NF only, my dear. Why? Beta, collection is in 3NF means what? Here I told na collection is in BCNF. So it's in 3NF, 2NF and 1NF also. Because it is in BCNF, so वो 3NF में भी होगा, 2NF में भी होगा और 1NF में भी होगा, my dear student. So here, if the relation is in BCNF, already it is in 3NF. So C is the correct answer for this question, my dear student. C is the correct answer for this question. C is the correct answer. Book is in 2NF and collection is in 3NF. Hope so. Thank you everyone.